You likely know that excessive uric acid is the primary cause behind painful conditions like gout. However, in smaller quantities, uric acid is actually a powerful endogenously produced water-soluble antioxidant that is responsible for more than half of the antioxidant activity in human blood. One way that uric acid acts as an antioxidant is by preventing the oxidation of vitamin C. And this is important because vitamin C is well known for repairing oxidized uric acid. So this is an example of what you could call biochemical reciprocity, in which both uric acid and vitamin C are dependent on the actions that each contributes. Uric acid can oxidize when it reacts with peroxynitrite, a gaseous compound and superoxidant that can damage lipids, proteins, and DNA. Peroxynitrite forms when nitric oxide reacts with existing oxidants. Uric acid can disrupt peroxynitrite, but it does so far better in the presence of vitamin C. So here again, you can see that the antioxidant effect of vitamin C is required to release the full potential of uric acid's antioxidant activity. The antioxidant action of uric acid is also important for the brain, where uric acid guards against neurodegeneration. And as you know, oxidative stress is a critical component in several nervous system disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. Uric acid is produced from either dietary purines, like what we find in seafood, meats, and alcohol, or endogenously from the normal breakdown of cells. Endogenous uric acid is formed by the liver, and excessive endogenous uric acid is excreted first by the kidneys and then by the intestines. A diet of processed and refined carbs, what we know of as the standard American diet, or the appropriately named SAD diet, definitely influences uric acid levels in the blood. Excess uric acid is also a participating factor in both metabolic syndrome and cardiovascular disease, because the insulin resistance that fuels these conditions also reduces the kidney's ability to excrete excess uric acid. Fructose, which is often a primary component of the SAD diet, drives triglyceride production in the liver, which accelerates uric acid production even more. And with uric acid being an antioxidant in low quantities, this excessive increase in uric acid production in response to the oxidation and inflammation from fructose consumption is obviously a protective response, but this often leads, unfortunately, to gout. Even sorbitol, which is often used as an alternative to sugar, is problematic because the liver converts sorbitol into fructose, and this once again drives increased uric acid production and greatly reduced uric acid excretion. Vegetables and fruit do contain small amounts of fructose, but this is easily mitigated by their countless bioflavonoids and other micronutrients that definitely affect the antioxidant capacity of blood plasma. Also, excessive oxidized fats, again like what we find in the SAD diet, can make uric acid oxidative, and part of this is because lipids are famously hydrophobic, meaning they repel water, and this lipid-driven hydrophobic environment is unfavorable for the antioxidant effects of the normally water-soluble uric acid. This is one reason why people with excess body fat often have problems with uric acid. Uric acid concentrations in blood plasma increase as we age, and this is clearly a natural countermeasure to the inflammation, oxidation that also accompanies aging. And you should definitely see now that maintaining a deliberately low inflammatory diet, rich in natural antioxidants, and also staying hydrated, are both primary factors in keeping uric acid in its healthful antioxidant state. Thanks for watching. I'm Jason Carter, and I'll see you next time on ENZYMENTAL. Stay healthy.